Okay, let's go ahead and get 13 and 14 done. Welcome back to editing the rom-com. 2 more of these individual chapter videos to go. Let's knock this out. So, I sound a little stuffy. I took some allergy meds, so should be all better. This is the prompt that we're using. This is chapter 13. We're going to plop it here when it's done. And then this is our kind of editing guideline. So, I'm using 3.7 Sonnet. I like 4. I like 3.7. In the last video, I used Opus for a minute, but I'm going to be doing a lot more in Claude today, so I really don't want to run through it with Opus. Okay, here's a problem though. I'm going to let it finish before I tell it that because I don't want to mess it up. Right, and it's going. Can you stop knocking stuff over? Hi. This is my big older dog. He's about double the size of the puppy. And just knocked something over. Hi. You're a good boy. Stop knocking stuff over. Alright, and it's done. Almost. The something like whatever is very AI. It's fine 1 or 2 times in, once per book if you really want to. But I've seen it so many times in so many different books of mine that I'm just like, oh my god. The other thing that I see a lot of, which drives me nuts, is when they have the feeling that they couldn't quite name, or the look in their eyes that they couldn't quite name, and it's like, no, you know what that is. Like we're on chapter 50, you know that you love the guy. We're not playing these games. So, yeah, if you see that, just call the AI out on it if it's something that bothers you. If it doesn't bother you, it doesn't bother you. It's okay. It should be a nice quick video. Maybe we can get both chapters done within 10 minutes, maybe? That might be pushing it. Maybe 12 minutes. It's not going to be another 20-minute video. Not unless we get a hookup. Or hiccup. Not a hookup. No, no one's hooking up right now. Well, that's cool. I just got a new desk, and it has a little second shelf. I don't think it's supposed to be a footrest, but it works as a footrest. It's really cool. It's on wheels, so I can, work from the kitchen if I want to or something. It's also a standing desk, so, yeah. Anyway, come along chapter 13. I'm asking it this way because that you'd like to see done is like, whether it's needed or not, just point it out to me if you would appreciate it. But are they actually needed? Because that's the thing. I'm not going back and forth a lot. I'm not tinkering with these chapters. They're going to be pretty okay. I'm not going to win a Pulitzer or, a Lambda or anything like that with this. I am making a cute little rom-com. And that's it. And as long as the process is fun and I enjoy it, then that's what I get from it. So, yeah, going back and forth 6 times for a chapter is not fun. Okay. Go for it. I agree with all of those, so go ahead. What's happening in 14? This kind of works into this. I'm going to do one modification here. What I changed here was the original was some genuine conflict even amid their growing closeness at that, but I'm like, this is a rom-com. We have 3 chapters left. We're not blowing up their relationship. Let's keep it cute. Alright, you good? Good. Okay. Copy this. Copy the project. Grab this. Flop it here. Check the word count. We're at 46. So it's going nicely. I'm going to refresh this. 13 is there. Good. Get rid of that. Go up here. Grab. Really should just have this on a separate doc. That would make more sense. Let me grab this. Flop that. 14. Copy. I am excited to almost be done. Flop that. Grab this. Send it out. Nope. Really? What was that mess? You work right there. You live right there. Stay right there. Okay. Good. And I'm going to say So as you can see, you really don't have to have the exact same prompt repeated, because this is basically asking the exact same thing. I like having the prompt for the, hey, can you edit this, just because I don't want to type it all out. But if you just gave it the chapter and was like, here's a chapter, here's some notes, go for it, cool. The only reason for that specifically is because it wasn't talking about the revisions, it was just jumping into them, which I want to talk about them first. I want to make sure that we know what we're doing first. We are at 11 minutes, so I'm not going to hit the 12-minute, but still very possible to hit the 15-minute. And we are still editing it. 2 more. This video, next video. And then the video after that will be, I'm going to do bigger clumps of the chapters. I don't think it's going to be just one video, but it's going to be, you know, maybe 5 or 6 chapters at a time. So it's going to be a lot faster. Also, this, her humming and Bertha's tune are so repetitive. Go for it. Make those changes. Thanks. Just make the changes. It's going to take a little bit, so really what we're doing now is just, it's going to finish the edits. I'm going to copy it, same thing. I'm going to pop it into the book, and I'm going to pop it back into the Claude project by using the copy to project. And then we'll just have 15 and 16 left. Thank you so much for being here. Greatly appreciate you all. I'm so excited to be almost done with this book. And then after these edits, we're going to do the actual line edits and the formatting for an ebook, which there's lots of ways to do it. I'm going to show you my way. It's not the prettiest. We're not using Vellum or Atticus. But a big part of what I do on this channel is showing you kind of accessible ways to do things. So if you don't have Vellum or Atticus, we're just working in Google Docs. You can do it in Word too. If you have Vellum or Atticus, cool, go for it. Alright, so again, thank you for being here. I really, really appreciate you. Can't wait to get done with this. If you're liking this kind of beginning to end kind of feel for working in the exact same book and going through the entire process, let me know what you want to see next, because, I mean, I'm going to be having a new pen name, so if you want something under the pen name, go for it. We can do whatever you want. Like, I'm not expecting, you know, mega sales from this pen name. This is more showing you all what's possible. So if you want to do, you know, sci-fi horror as the next one, cool. I would typically not do it with the exact same name, but we're not going to worry about it with this one. And it's just going to impact sales. And that's okay. Because, again, this is not the mega sale pen name. This is to show you all so that hopefully something that I do here helps you all out. So we're at 15 minutes. I'm just going to copy this to project. I'm going to copy it to the doc, and then we'll see you next time. All right. Thank you again.